Hello guys, today I want to show you how you can create a package in Liveview extension and export it for as a project if you want to sell it or you want to give it to someone else or something like it. So how you can create a package and do this work. Okay, for the start you have to install Liveview extension as you know. But after it, you have to create a folder. The first folder is your project, so you have to name it. I have to right click on this folder and rename it to, for example, my new project. Okay, my new project. After it, you have to open it and import everything on it. But now for the start, I want to show you a package that I prepared for this tutorial. That it is a 3D arrow pack that on it is some 3D arrows that are MOV file, and I want to create a pack for it on Liveview with a preview and picture preview. Okay. Let's go to see how I can do it. I will come back, my new project. I will change my new project, for example, to 3D arrow pack. And I will set a picture for as a picture preview for it. Example package, picture preview, open. Okay, this is the picture preview. And of course, I will set a video preview for it. I have a video preview for it. So when you mouse hover on it, the video preview will play on your package. Okay. Now I'm going here and I create, I add my items. You can right click on here and add file or hit this plus button, but I add file from here. And I select the files that I want to add on my package. As you can see, this will add on here. These files are 4K, so it will not, it cannot play on here. So you need to create some preview for it. How you can do it? I will come back to my example package folder, and now on here you have to know. You can add preview with this name, but you have to change the .move to .mp4. So I will convert all of this to mp4. How can I do it? With Adobe Media Encoder. Okay, it's open it. I will drag all of the videos on here. And I select all of them and use a good preset for it. I think YouTube 480 is one of the best one for it because it's a small size, and of course it will convert to MP4 files for me. And hit the play button on here and wait for conversion. I don't think so that it will take too many times, so I wait to finish the video, to finish the rendering this video. Okay, it's rendering, and on here, okay, it's finished. So let's come back and do it again to see what's happening. Yeah, now you can, all of them OV files have a video preview. If this not appear on you, you have to remove it. For example, 3D arrow 21 and add it again so it will work correctly for you. If it had a problem, this is the way. And now you have a package, but how you can export it? For exporting it, you have to right click on it and collect this package. You can add icon for your item. There's not a problem. This icon is it will be a default icon for your package, and you can select your own icon for here. And also, for example, Artino, that is my Video Hive profile, and link address, for example, http motiontill.com, and hit the collect file, and it will ask you where you want to collect this file. I will select, for example, on a example package, I will create collect, and on it save. You have to wait, and it will copy and generate everything that you need for this package. I will go in here and see what will happening on here. This is 3D arrow pack. On here, the live view friendly file and original version. That original version for this, you don't need it, so I will remove it. And if you want, you can copy the original versions on here. I don't think so. For a footage, you need a original version, so I will remove it. Live view friendly, and the assets that you can see generated and copied on here. And of course, you can find the catalog and help document. If you don't need, you can remove it. Of course, there's not any problem. The live view friendly is the thing that you have, and now you can exit it and remove it. Now, when you need this, just you have to go here and select list.liveview file. It will appear on here, and everything are on here. I will create a composition and check it to know how it works. For example, in second 2, I will drag this video. As you can see, it's playing the move file on here with remove it background. And of course, you can add it on here and use it on here. It's all thing that you have to need about creating package for live view. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.